Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper claw. So let's begin. So the first step is to take your paper and fold it like this. And make sure the tip is sharp and this edge is lined up. Okay, next you're going to take this and you're going to fold it down like this, and it's going to make what looks like a house. And just crease that. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take this edge and fold it to this edge like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now you're going to take this and fold it up, basically just until like this edge. Don't fold this triangle. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to take this and fold it in half. And now, since the paper is getting thick, it's okay if it gets a bit wrinkly. And just line everything up as best as you can. And crease. Okay, so now you're going to open that up and you're going to take this edge and fold it to that center crease. Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to fold it again like that. Then you're going to fold it one more time. And now you're going to, well, this time just try and line it up as best as you can because sometimes it can go past. Like this. Now you're just going to unfold it, and just to do it again for any of those who didn't understand, you fold this to the center, then this again, then this one more time and try and line it up. Now that you've done that, you're going to open up that last fold like this, and you're going to see this pocket. You're going to put your finger in there and kind of open that up. Now you're going to close it and take this and you're going to kind of push it in that pocket and push it all the way, and you can crease it flat. Okay, so now you've got your claw. Now to wear it, all you need to do is you see this triangle on the top where this pocket is, where we put this flap. So you're going to take this and you're going to open it up like this and kind of squash it a bit like that. Now you can take your finger and put it inside, and there you go. You have an origami paper claw.